A bunch of Greek sponge divers were like, let's find treasure, but instead of gold, they pulled up a corroded lump of bronze. Wow, party time. But wait, this lumpy doorstop was hiding a secret so wild it'd make your iPhone cry. Meet the Antikythera mechanism, the ancient Greeks' answer to "hold my wine, I'ma invent a computer." Fast forward 100 years, scientists X-rayed this bad boy, and bam, it's got more gears than a Tesla. This thing predicted eclipses, moon phases, and the Olympics, because ancient Greeks needed to know when to bench press olives and race chariots. Imagine explaining this to your mom. No, it's not a toaster. It's a 2,000-year-old NASA. This wasn't magic, it was math. While Europe was still napping in the Dark Ages, Greece had a bronze computer mapping the cosmos. Oh, and it even had a user manual, because even geniuses forget how their gadgets work. So next time your GPS fails, blame the Greeks. And remember, we've lost the manual for this thing, but somehow kept all the receipts from 200 BC. Priorities, people.